Hulk Hogan, yeah. You see, you don't know.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Championship. Approaching the ring from Sarasota, Florida, weighing 245 pounds, the WWE Champion, Macho Man, Randy Savage.
This is what we've all been waiting for. The Mega Powers will explode tonight at Wrestlemania 5. Miss Elizabeth saying that she will be here tonight to support both men.
How is she going to do that? There he is, JR. Oh, and what a champion he has been this past year. Winning the title 1 year ago at Wrestlemania 4 here in Atlantic City, and coming back tonight to proudly defend the WWE Championship that he has defended all year long.
And approaching the ring, Miss Elizabeth.
Miss Elizabeth about to make her entrance. She will have to go to a neutral corner.
Yeah, what a gold digger she is, JR. I know exactly what she's going to do. She's going to go with whoever wins.
Miss Elizabeth has been put into a terribly awkward situation. Let's not make things worse than they already are, King.
And introducing the challenger from Venice Beach, California, weighing 303 pounds, Hulk Hogan.
Listen to this place explode. Everyone on their feet to greet that man, Hulk Hogan.
This guy is so underhanded. He wouldn't step up to Macho Man face to face and ask for a title match. He had to go after Macho's woman. How much lower can you sink than to go after your best friend's woman?
Well, you're entitled to your own opinion, King, as is everyone.
Listen, Macho Man won the WWE Championship in the biggest tournament in WWE history, and Hogan just laid in the weeds and thought of a devious plan to distract Macho, to steal his manager, steal his woman, to get Macho's mind off of what he is, and that's the WWE Champion.
If you told me 1 year ago that the main event of WrestleMania 5 would be Macho Man versus Hogan, I wouldn't have believed you. But the Mega Powers are exploding before our very eyes.
The Mega Powers, one of the most dominant duos in WWE history, crumbled due to one thing: Miss Elizabeth.
Savage, well known for his overprotective nature toward Miss Elizabeth, claims that Hogan on the offensive against his former best friend, the Macho Man. We knew the Mega Powers were going to explode tonight.
Hogan rode the WWE Champion's coattails all year long. His jealousy of Savage and his lust for Elizabeth festered until it destroyed the Mega Powers.
Let's not pretend that Macho Man is the most stable of competitors here in WWE, King. The man is volatile. Just look at how he treats Miss Elizabeth.
Yeah, just look at her, JR. Fame and fortune just fell in her lap all because of the Macho Man. We should all be treated so badly.
Hogan measuring the Macho Man. Hogan needs to shut Macho Man down and keeping Savage absorbing a tremendous amount of damage here. With emotions as high as they are, it's hard to believe that these two superstars were such good friends not that long ago.
It was all a lie, JR. A lie perpetrated by Hogan. He's a grandstander, a hot dogger. He craves the spotlight no matter the cost.
The ref is telling Macho and Hogan to get back into the ring and is sending Elizabeth to the back. heading back into the ring now.
Oh, look at the emotion. Ah! That's it. He's done.
Savage making the climb to the top rope.
Ah! Just look at this.
Hogan is so big and powerful, but Macho Man's cat-like quickness is hard to game plan against.
Well, the longer this match goes, I got to give the advantage to Macho Man. He's lighter, quicker, and he has more stamina.
Macho Madness is in full effect. Savage said that Hulkamania will die tonight at his hand, and he just might do it.
Macho Man came in here intent on destroying Hulkamania, and he's not going to stop until he does it. Oh, this isn't over yet. Look at it go.
Going for the pin. Here's the cover. 3. Here is your winner and new WWE Champion, Hulk Hogan.
Oh, this makes me sick.
He did it! The entire building is becoming unglued as once again the Hulkster holds the gold of the WWE Championship.
Right there, you got a guy that will stoop to any level to get what he wants.
The Macho Man heading to the back, obviously disappointed in himself and disappointed in losing the WWE Championship. And there you see Hulk Hogan in the ring celebrating with thousands of Hulkamaniacs in attendance. This capacity crowd on their feet as history has been made in Atlantic City at Wrestlemania 5. Hulk Hogan defeats the Macho Man for the WWE Championship.